Welcome! Ladies' Choice and Smart Parenting created these co-creation activities to champion collaborative parenting. Let's get started! For today's activity, we'll be making a checklist to serve as a visual reminder of what needs to be packed away. We'll be honing your child's sense of responsibility by teaching them how to pack away properly. Here's what you'll be needing. Ready for this activity, anak?
Let's go, Mom!
Let's start by selecting a common scenario where your child needs to pack things away. Can you name one, anak?
How about arts and crafts time?
Good idea! Let's list all the things we need to tidy up.
Return all the art materials. Make sure the glue is close. Return the scissors carefully.
We also save what we can. Then, of course, return everything neatly in the craft box. Okay, let's start! Anak, can you return the crayons back in the box? I can help you by collecting paper scraps.
Great teamwork, Mom.
You should be so proud of yourself for doing this, anak. Let me take a photo. Moms, kayang-kaya ng kids natin to be more responsible. We just need to give them more opportunities and the right guidance. Great work, anak! Now that we're done, would you like a chicken sandwich for merienda?
Of course, Mom. Look, Mom, we got stars.
Once we complete 10, we'll become a certified do-it-together mom and kid and get the chance to earn rewards.
Thank you for watching. You can move on to the next activity by clicking on the next video here.